And then you just took the ferry from Port Clinton.
Yeah.
Nice. Sorry, sometimes I forget you are all here watching. Just planning out our next trip, places Tom has been in an RV. This is the A.C.E 32B, the 2027 A.C.E 32B. It's great for family trips. I'd love to go somewhere with my family in this. You're gonna have seatbelts and sleeping for anybody you wanna bring along. So sleeping for 7, this is the bunkhouse model. Gonna have sleeping right up here in the drop-down bunk. Obviously, these seats will turn as you're driving, that 7.3 liter V8. The Dream Dinette, always a great place. Meals, makes into a bed. Seatbelts for the ride, child safety tether. Wonderful spot for gatherings and games on those rainy days. And then there's the sofa for just kicking back and watching that smart TV. This also jackknifes into a bed. When we're out, and maybe you are in the same boat, and go ahead and comment below what's your favorite thing to make when you are out there on the road. I love my own cooking when I am out camping. Anything you want in here. You have a microwave, a 3-burner gas cooktop, an oven, so all the same things you have at home. Large sink, pull-down sprayer, plenty of storage, massive fridge. That's a 12-volt fridge, by the way. As we work our way back, bunks. So sleep here, you can get 2 here. We like to use it for storage. All the extras we just kind of put in here and hide away. It's nice because it's right across from the bathroom. We have our shower, our porcelain toilet, new storage for 2027, so you can keep everything bathroom related in here. And then as we work our way back, nice king size bed. Air conditioner up above, 2 13,500 BTU ACs on board. I like to use this one. I crank the fan on all the time. I love that white noise. Large closet back here, TV, pet dish down below, a ton of storage inside, and real quick, we'll wind this down with showing you some of the exterior features of this A.C.E 32B. Your 32B is going to be 33.5 feet long, lots of exterior storage, the most in the A.C.E lineup, 100 cubic feet of exterior storage, lots of bays here, rotocast material, chuck all your gear in there, including maybe a grill, maybe a griddle, hook it up to the exterior propane connection, take that bright sun out of your eyes with the patio awning, that comes out with the touch of a button. More storage everywhere you look on here, so think about all the things you want to bring along as we work our way up. Smart TV, so you are out here camping, watching, or listening to your favorite music. Everything you could need for great adventures are right here. This is the A.C.E 32B, and you should hop online, think about where you want to go in your A.C.E right now, thormotorcoach.com.